Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a desktop shortcut for your Google Chrome profile. So a desktop shortcut for Chrome profile will look like this in the desktop. So if you want to create one like this, so it will make you easier when you want to browse something, or it will streamline your workflow. You can just follow this step. First, you can open Chrome. Okay, I'm going to just find in here. Let's say I haven't created a shortcut. Okay, you can just choose your profiles in here, and then here, after the Google Chrome is open, you can click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and then find settings. You can just scroll down in here until you find the settings option. And here you'll find this You and Google. So click on this customize your Chrome profile. Okay, so this is the Chrome profile. You can just scroll down until you find this. Create a desktop shortcut. So you can create a desktop shortcut on your device to access directly to this profile. You can just enable this by clicking on this little circle until it turns to blue. So when you go back, when you close this and go to the home page, you'll see your profile. So when you open it, it will directly open all of your profiles right here, including the bookmarks and everything. So it will make your works easier. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.